how to transfer money from CIBC to TD Bank. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from CIBC to TD Bank. Alright, so let's begin. First, log into CIBC online banking. Access your CIBC account through the website or mobile app. Navigate to transfers. Find the transfer funds or interact e-transfer option. Select send money. Choose to send money via interact e-transfer. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's email address or mobile phone number associated with their TD Bank account. If they're a new recipient, you may need to add them as a contact. Enter transfer amount. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. Add a message. This is optional. You can include a message for the recipient. Lastly, confirm the transfer. Review the details and confirm the transaction. So that's basically how you can transfer money from CIBC to TD Bank. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.